Hi, my name is Jigar and I am based out of India. I have been working in IT industry for last 20 plus years. I have worked on many different languages or technologies like .NET, ASP.NET, .NET MVC, .NET Core, etc. I also worked on front-end technologies like Angular, EA, JavaScript, jQuery. During my tenure, I worked with many big Indian IT companies like Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini. I have worked with Fortune 500 companies like General Electric, Credit Suisse, British Telecom, Abbott, and so on. Since last 2 plus years, I have been working with Bubble.io. I love Bubble.io as a no-code platform to create apps. I developed many apps with Bubble. I worked on 10 plus live projects with Bubble till now. In that, I have used many different plugins and many different templates. I use both free and paid plugins and templates. In Bubble, I have done many API integrations like for document sign, digital document sign, I've used Zoho Sign. For doing integration with accounting systems like QuickBook and Zero. Then I've done integration with payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, Yoko, Flutterwave. Then meeting options or meeting providers like Google Meet and Zoom also have integrated. I've also done integration with email providers like MailChimp and SendGrid. I've also done integration with ChatGPT, OpenAI, where I generated prompt automatically based on user input and provide response in specific format from ChatGPT. Here I worked on things like vector database, embedding, and so on. I use framework called Canvas, which is provided by Airdev. I worked with different plans of Bubble, like free plan, starter plan, growth plan. I'm very much aware about the workloading needs associated with that and how it works. I also work with backend workflows. So if you're working with Bubble, it's important to know and work with backend workflows because if you want to set up your own API or you want to create webhooks or you want to create scheduled work routines, you need to backend workflow. So backend workflows must in Bubble.io. In Bubble, I've created many different type of apps. Most of them are SaaS based. I also created many marketplace apps. There are some special apps also, like I've created AI-based calculators, LMS like Duolingo Flow, in Cameo. I also created multilingual applications and support different languages within an app. I worked with Google CAPTCHA to provide extra layer of security. I also had to implemented two-factor authentication with OTP generation and integrations with email, WhatsApp, and SMS of OTP. That's where I done integration with some tool like Twilio. Um, I created many different type of apps um, and work with many business domains. So as I mentioned above, like I have worked with auction-based marketplace. I've created a marketplace between porter where driver and customer can meet and send the deliveries. I also created a project for Movie Maker, Teams budget and recruitment management system. I also worked on a visa management app for visa agency. I also created digital store app. I also created many websites also. I worked with many data extensive apps. I extensively worked on to improve the performance of mobile apps, where I use things like pagination to get data in pages and get limited data. Then I've done like remove unwanted style sheets and page elements, avoid unnecessary database call where managing with option set whenever possible. So by using all those tricks, I've done improvise the performance of the app a lot. Yeah, so this is what my overall experience all about. Thank you.